Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Tammy Live. I'm Tammy, and today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious strawberry shortcake Belgian waffles. Guys, these Belgian waffles are guaranteed to knock your socks off. Absolutely delicious and absolutely beautiful when it comes to presentation. So without further ado, let's jump right on in. For our ingredients, we have, as you can see, we have these delicious looking beautiful strawberries right in front of us. I'm so tempted to start eating them. Yes, we have strawberries, and what I did was I took the tops off and I basically just sliced it in half. We also have some water, as well as granulated sugar and lemon juice. And these are the ingredients for our strawberry compote, also strawberry drizzle. Yes, this is gonna be something else. Also, for our Belgian waffles, I have Belgian waffle mix because we're gonna be using the mix. However, I can show you how to make waffles from scratch, but guess what? This is much quicker, much easier, and yeah, it tastes absolutely delicious. You can't go wrong with the Belgian waffle mix. We also have some water, eggs, and oil because that's all that's called for when it comes to this particular waffle recipe. We're gonna start off with a low heat, yes. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these delicious strawberries right here, guys, and we're gonna add it to our pan. We're also going to add our granulated sugar. And our freshly squeezed lemon juice, as well as our water. That's it. And we are gonna give everything a good mix to combine the lemon juice as well as the sugar. And we wanna make sure all of the sugar breaks down in, with the water. So we're just gonna give it a good stir and allow everything to combine, and we are gonna have such a delicious drizzle / strawberry compote once we're done. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. And that's it. I'm not gonna disturb it anymore. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna allow it to come to a slow simmer, allow the sauce to reduce, meaning basically just thicken up, and I'm gonna take in the aroma while I work on making our delicious Belgian waffles. Alrighty, to this mix, we are gonna add our eggs, as well as our water, just like that, and our oil. Quick and easy, right? Forget about using the all-purpose flour, having to separate the egg yolks, taking out the whites, and basically incorporating it and so on and so forth. Yeah, let's just make this quick and easy. To be honest with you, I was gonna literally make the Belgian waffles from scratch, and I was like, you know what? Let's just make it easy. Let's just make it much easier, quick, in and out of the kitchen. Let's feed these kitties, these chickadees, or better yet, even ourselves. By the way, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone is in good spirits. Everyone is doing great. I am using my measuring cup because I find it much easier to pour it into the Belgian waffle maker, rather than dirtying up, a separate cup, or should I say measuring cup, to scoop it out and so on and so forth. That's all right. However, if you're gonna use this technique as far as a measuring cup or something in depth, definitely make sure you get all of the contents at the bottom, because a lot of times the flour mix could be stuck at the bottom. And you want your money's worth. You wanna be able to combine everything together. Give it a good mix. All right, I think that's it. I can't wait, literally, for everything to come together. It's gonna be, like I said, not only beautiful, guys, but it's gonna be so tasteful. So delicious. As you guys can see, there's a little white froth on top. You can always skim that off, or you can leave it basically. The preference is yours. I'm just gonna skim it off, give it another mix, And they smell absolutely delicious. It's something about strawberries that puts me in the mindset of spring. Honestly, spring and summer. And it's so easy to make. Strawberry compote is so easy to make. Take off just a little bit more of the froth because I want the true color to stand out. The true color of the sauce, the saucy sauce. All right. And that should be about it. I would honestly say about another 5 minutes. Let's flip this on over and see what's going on. Wow. I am gonna take it out. Be careful because this thing is really hot. That's one thing, Belgian waffles, when they come out of that waffle maker, it's so hot. So you don't wanna burn your fingers or your hands or anything of that nature, so be careful. Pour it on. Fill it up, fill it up. All right, that's it. Turn it on over and let the magic begin. We're gonna make some cream for this recipe as well. So what we're gonna need is some heavy cream as well as some powdered sugar and some vanilla extract. Literally 3 ingredients, that's simple. And what we're gonna do is we are gonna turn on our handheld mixer. So it took about literally 3 to 4 minutes to whip this cream. Yes, it did. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna add our powdered sugar. However, when you're whipping your cream, whenever you get to like somewhat of a resistant type of texture where you can literally feel it in your handheld mixer, you can feel the resistance. That's when you know it's time to add not only your powdered sugar and your vanilla extract, but also you don't want to over whip. So at that point in time, you kind of know, guess what? I'm getting to the point where I need to stop. And I am done. Yes, look, beautiful. I'm gonna fold everything in and the texture is beautiful. Now this is fresh whipped cream, guys. Fresh whipped cream. Alrighty, this is perfect, see? And it smells so good because it has that vanilla extract in there. All right, these are our waffles right here. Now, my waffle maker is the waffle maker that's square and they come in like little 4s. So what I did was I separated it, put the cream here to show you guys. I separated it and I kind of like did my own thing. I stacked it and I'm gonna show you how to basically put it together. I can't wait, I'm so excited. Okay. And of course, our strawberries are done. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna hit it off with a dollop of cream, just like that. Oh my God. Perfect. We are gonna take our strawberry drizzle and we are gonna add it right here. And we are gonna take the other waffle, stack it right on top. Repeat the same process. Do the same thing once more. And just let it leak out. Let it drizzle. Let it leak out. Let it do its thing. Let it look pretty. No fuss, no worry. All right. Once again. How many do we have so far? We have 3. All right. Do you guys think I can go for 4? Why not, right? Make it a tall tower. Hit it off with some whipped cream once again. Boom. Boom. Hit it off with a strawberry. a strawberry. And I'm telling you, not only are you gonna love this, but your kids are gonna love it as well. They're gonna ask you to make it like literally every single day. There you go, just like that. And I'm gonna continue the same process with the others that I have in the back. Who say that breakfast can't be fun, quick, and easy? Everything, nevertheless, took about 20 minutes to put together. The strawberry compote took about literally 5 minutes to reduce. And the whipped cream took literally about 4 to 5 minutes. Not to mention the waffles, the Belgian waffles, to put the batter together, 2 seconds. And to get them into the waffle maker, literally the waffle maker was hot, so they were done. Honestly, I had like literally 3 waffles done in a matter of maybe a couple minutes. It wasn't nothing to like literally complain about. It was like really, really quick as well. So yeah, breakfast, 20 minutes. And this is absolutely beautiful. Not to mention, this is also a great brunch. A great brunch and even dessert. This is definitely universal. Alrighty. And the cool thing about this is all done with using a couple of basic ingredients. Nothing complicated, nothing that you can't pronounce. You know, sometimes when you go to the store and you're trying a recipe for the first time and you're not familiarized with the ingredient, and you try to look for it at first, and then you ask the store clerk, and you know you can't pronounce it, and it comes out sounding funny. Well, this is not that recipe. This is something that is very easy to put together. And you know what? I'm just gonna drizzle. Oh my God, my Leaning Tower pizza. Making a mess. Just gonna drizzle. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. Make it happen. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Make it look absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut some strawberries. Fresh strawberries is what I should say. And we are gonna place them right here. Right here. Incorporate it with the mixture. As well as right here as well. Let's just have fun with food. You know what I mean? Of course, I had to bring you guys in for a close-up of our beautiful, delicious strawberry shortcake Belgian waffles. Look at that cream. The cream is just soaking into our delicious waffles, not to mention our strawberries. Oh my goodness, this is definitely what spring is all about. It's no other time than, of course, taste test time. And I can't wait to dig in. Honestly, I can't wait to taste these delicious strawberry shortcake waffles. Wow, get some of that cream, guys. Yes. Strawberries. Wow. Everything ties together amazing. So absolutely delicious. The fresh cream is not too sweet, just enough powdered sugar added. You get the fragrance from the vanilla extract, which is so inviting. Not to mention the fresh strawberries, as well as the strawberries that we reduced in the sauce. Absolutely amazing. And the drizzle has that little hint of lemon juice in there, which ties together perfectly because you have a hint of sweet and sour. Woo boy. Absolutely amazing. Honestly, guys, I want to eat some more, but I know I gotta talk. This would make the perfect brunch, perfect breakfast, perfect Sunday get together. You know, it was just, it's so amazing. The presentation, absolutely beautiful. The taste is really, really worth it. Anyway, guys, Cooking with Tammy recipes for full recipe details. Enjoy. Until next time, I catch you in another video. Bye, guys.